Hello everyone, this is Mirza Baig, data science instructor at Cornerstone International Community College of Canada. We are having some exciting AI workshops over here which are talking about Microsoft Excel. AI assisted features in Microsoft Excel, they can help you clean and process data, fix issues in the data, inconsistencies in your data records, and then eventually create visualizations with summaries. AI assisted features in Microsoft Excel can basically help you do hours of task within minutes. For example, students, if they are processing data for their assignments, for their tasks, they can do it with one click and within minutes. Thank you for joining in today's session, and we were glad to see you. We would be happy to see you in the next session. Please keep a check on our social media pages and would love to have you here.